Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. In this tutorial, we will explore how to use the Python requests library to send HTTP post requests with cookies. The requests library is a popular and user-friendly HTTP library for Python, making it easy to work with web APIs. Before you begin, make sure you have Python installed on your system. If not, you can download it from Python's official website. Additionally, install the requests library by running the following command. Cookies are small pieces of data stored on the client side that are sent with each HTTP request to a server. They are commonly used for session management, authentication, and tracking user preferences. Let's create a simple example where we send a post request to a hypothetical login endpoint along with cookies for authentication. In this example, the requests.post method is used to send the post request. The data parameter is used to include the payload, and the cookies parameter is used to include the cookies. Sending post requests with cookies using Python requests is straightforward and can be useful for various web-related tasks. Always ensure you have the necessary permissions to interact with the specified endpoints, and handle errors gracefully in your code. ChatGPT.